Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play this Delta bluesish riff. It's pretty easy to do, and it revolves around the 3rd fret. And it has a little turnaround added to it. So it's not just a one riff blues song. The turnaround sort of takes it to a next level without it going all the way to being a 12 or 16 bar. One of those things. So I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. I'll play it for you. And it's one of those things that sounds much harder than it is. That's all there is to it. So we're staying right around the 3rd fret for most of the whole song except for the turnaround. And you just start with a low open string. You can let it really ring out or you can kind of mute it. I sort of went halfway in between. And I've got reverb and tremolo on my amp, just sort of faintly, just enough to give it that swampy sound. And then you go to the high string. So there's that, pretty easy. Then you go to the middle string. And then you come down with your slide as a hammer-on, like that. And you notice with my right hand, I just automatically sort of thumb, middle finger, or you can use a pick in your palm to mute. I just mute any strings that I don't need. Like that. So that's the first part you want to get. Once you get that real accurate, the rest is easy. Back to open string, and then 3rd fret on that string. Open again. Then 3rd fret on the middle string. And then open again on the high. So even though the slide was moving around a lot, it's really mostly open strings. And there when I did it, I sort of slid into the 3 as I hammered it. That's a little thing you can do. Don't worry about getting that right off the bat. That might take a little bit of time. You can just do it very straight. And you want to do it a lot more than I've done it on this video, so that you get really good at it and it becomes almost hypnotic. On the second time, you may wish to just end on the middle there, just for variety. So the whole thing would sound like this. And you can let the strings ring out more than I am. I'm really muting them so you can hear exactly what I'm doing. The turnaround part, this is cool. You tip your slide up like this. Move your hand ahead so it's at an angle. And you go up to the 5th fret. You can stay there for 4 beats if you like. And then you just go 7. Oh, and in between I'm hitting the high string. Then you can just go up to 7, 5, 3, back to the lick. And of course you can improvise. There is no right and wrong, and I wouldn't do the turnaround right after the lick. I'd play the lick and improvise on the lick like quite a bit and just do the turnaround when you really feel the tension build and the need to go and do something else. I hope that works for you. Oh, I should mention my guitar. This is a license plate guitar. It's very easy to make. You just make a frame. There's a wooden frame there. You know, and you stick a piezo pickup in it, glue it to the top. I like to glue them up here Or you can get those from MBG, I believe it is. You can get those little square pickups and you can put them underneath. And that's all there is to it. And the neck, of course, because I'm not planning on fretting the neck, it just has the marks on there. I think the neck cost me $1. Tuners cost $6, you know. And you can get different patterns for laying out whatever frets you want. This is a 25-inch scale, which I like for slide and stuff like that. But most of my fretted instruments are actually 24, and I have some that are 23, because with only 3 strings, it's really good to be able to stretch your hand out and get a bunch of different chords if you're playing with frets. So anyway, I thought I'd mention that. You can make one of these, like, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks. I do have a video on how to do it. So do other guys, but it's really that simple. Just a bolt here and a bolt there. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye.